you dedicated, hardworking, and ready to take on a rewarding opportunity as a cleaner in Singapore? Look no further. On this website, you will find over 1,000 cleaner jobs in Singapore.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services, where we connect you to the employment abroad and also assist you for getting all the necessary documents that you needed for you to get your visa.
I will drop the link in the description section. Here are the details of the job. Basic English is required. There is visa sponsorship. You can relocate. You can get option for full-time, part-time, or temporary, and the salary is between $1,600 and $1,800 per month. And these are the requirements. Experience in a similar job is preferred, but it is not required. You must have the ability to work independently. You must be clean and give attention to details. Let's look at other things. We have the cleaning task, you have the maintenance task, cleanliness and security, and customer service. Here are the benefits of the job. Competitive salary and bonuses based on your performance. Insurance and healthcare plans that cover everything. Opportunities for professional growth and advancement. A friendly and supportive work environment for everyone. Options for visa sponsorship are also available for interested foreign applicants. That is so lovely. Now, who can apply? If you are from Asian, African, or Latin American countries, then you are qualified to apply. This is a list of some of the countries. Now, how can you apply? This is the link. When you get to the website, you see this is the first option. Let's take a look at this one. Housekeeping attendant at Fresh Cleaning Facilities Management. The pay is between $1,700 and $3,500 per month. It is a full-time job, and the shift is it requires weekend availability, shift system, and holidays. The location is Singapore, and the benefit is pulled from the job description. We've read that before. There is food allowance. So the full job description includes working hours is 44 hours per week, rotating shifts, 6-day work per week, and then the salary. The description includes cleaning of room and bathroom according to the set standards and instruction, and every other thing. Then let's look at another option too. This one has a pay between $3,000 and $3,500 per month. It is permanent and it is full-time. And this is the description for this one. When you scroll down, you can read the description, which includes set up and tidy guest rooms, keep the restrooms tidy, replace, clean and empty the liners. Let's take a look at another one. The pay for this one is between $1,900 and $2,200 per month, in dollars. This is a full-time job, and this is the job description. Clean plates, bowls, utensils, kitchen equipment, ensure cleanliness and hygiene, upkeep the environment clean and hygiene. We also have housekeeping workers. When you get to this website, you can filter your search. You can search based on full-time, part-time, permanent, or contract. When you come up also, you can filter based on the date posted, the pay, the job type, the location, and the company. Give it a try now, and I wish you good luck.
For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.